possibly laugh. Okay, now it's time to get even happier. You guessed it, it's time for the ticket splash. Okay, everyone have a seat on the ground.
Ready? There it goes.
Huh? Oh, look how high!
Almost all the way to the ceiling.
I go so high. Lift the hands up in the air.
Hands up in the air.
Whee! There it goes.
What are you doing, buddy? Are you going up and down?
Arms up!
Hands up.
Arms up! Oh! Are you going to sleep? Oh! Alarm clock went off! You gonna do this one with the bees? Oh, we tried to do this before.
Yeah, we did it at the Butterfly Museum.
Okay, let's do it. Gotta catch the bees. Catch them. Catch them and put them in the honey pot. Catch them in the honey pot. Alright, catch them. Put them in the honey pot. Good job. How about this one?
Oh, look, you got tickets.
Oh, tickets. Get your tickets. And then do you want to hit this one or go on the submarine? Go on the submarine, the blue submarine? Yes? Or this one? He wants to do this one.
Yeah, climb up. Like a little motorcycle.
Yeah, that's a blue submarine. This is a... I don't know. It says Captain Seawolf. Maybe it's a yellow submarine. We'll see. Woo! Hold on. Good job, buddy. What's the button do? Press it. I don't know if it does anything. Might be broken. Alright, okay, bye-bye YouTube.